Hello there. The purpose of this video is to show you how to do some video analysis on the videos of throwing a baseball that we took last week. So to do that, first open up Logger Pro, and when you open it up it'll look like this. Then you're going to click Insert Movie, and you're going to choose one of the movies from Haiku. I have mine nested amongst all of these videos here, so let's choose Aaron is the first one. So I click open and the video will pop open here. Then I'm going to click page auto arrange, puts the video right here. I'm going to click on this button right here, enable disable video analysis, and I'm going to hit play and then stop it right when he starts to throw it, and I'll go back to the beginning of the throw, which looks like maybe it should be about, okay, maybe, whoops, yeah, so maybe starting right here, maybe here. We'll say the throw starts from right here. So first thing I need to do is to set the scale. Now we have the meter stick back here, so I just click and drag. That's 1 meter, but because of foreshortening, meaning Jake is actually farther in the background than Aaron, this is going to show up as a meter, but it actually, because of perspective, looks smaller than a meter. So if I put in 1 meter here, it's going to make the speed a little too fast. So I'll try to account for that by saying that's actually 0.8 meters. And then the next thing I do is I'm going to set my axes. So I go to this button here, set origin, and I'm going to put the origin right by Aaron's hand. Right here is where he starts. Then I'm going to click on this button to do the video analysis, add point, and I'm going to put the point, I'm going to try to put the point at the middle of the ball as he throws it. Now it's going to move quickly, so it's going to be challenging to do. You're going to have to use your best judgment. So I'll just say, I can't really see the ball, but his hand is right there, so I'm going to click where I think the ball is. Click once, then his hand moves, and it's kind of stretched out in this weird way, and I guess the ball is probably about here. Then at this point here, it's really kind of stretched. I don't know, I'll just kind of put in the middle, and then here he kind of let go of the ball, so I don't know, let's say he let go of it maybe about here, and then at that point the ball is totally gone. So let's go over and take a look at the graph. It automatically does X position and Y position versus time. I don't want either of those, so I'll click on that and choose X velocity because I'm only interested in the horizontal velocity. So once I do that, I can see that actually Aaron's throw, it looks like he applied a pretty constant, constantly changing velocity of the ball. So what I could do is I could click on this and do tangent, and I could check the tangent here, and I see the slope is 24.4 meters per second. Here it's 27.8, here it's 30.6, and there it's 31.9. So it's changing slightly. So I have 4 different slopes, and as you can see they're in meters per second. It's a change in velocity, and so from those 4 slopes I can calculate an average. One thing to do might be to add up the 4 and divide by 4 to find the average. Another thing I could do is I could find the linear fit for this. Click on that, it gives me a linear fit, and it says the slope is 29.18. You can see it's not really perfect because the data is above the line, then it's below it, then it goes back above it again. Or I could just find the value of each of these 2 points over here, which would be time and Vx, and do rise over run and find the slope of that. So there's several different things you could do to find the average velocity of your throw, and that's basically how you do it. So you should write down, save your file and post it to Dropbox, and calculate what the average force, or what an approximate constant force is for your throw. And that's about it.